guys, welcome to our vlog. Today we're going to show
So I had a dream that I just fly away, away. I fly away. I fly away. 'Cause I had a dream that someday I would just fly, fly away. And I always knew I couldn't stay. So I had a dream that I'd just fly away, away.
Hey guys, welcome again sa vlog. We're going to go sa Madrid Sunbar na nga, like I said, here in Negros Oriental. So from our staycation, it's from Dawin City or Sambog, Dumaguete. It takes like 2 hours and a half. Okay, so we need to get up very early lang, no? So we use our motorbike, and we also rent here in Dumaguete. If you want to rent some bike, there's a lot na around the area. So yun ang view here, going there. So yan pa lang nga ang araw. Sisikat pa lang ang araw. Ayan, so we have enjoyed nga our motorbike. Hindi nga masyadong mainit. Kaya, okay lang naman. Vitamin C na din. So, yan na ang aming travel. Hindi nga na-record ang, Siyempre, di ko kaya hawakan ng aking phone ng 2 hours. Diba? So, after 2 hours and a half, we arrived na nga here in Manjuyod. So, napaka-calm ng water. Very clean, guys. Crystal clear. So, from our itinerary, first is what we do is the dolphin watching here in Manjuyod. So, you need to be early nga para makita yung mga dolphins since hindi sila seasonal. So, depende sa kanila kung gusto nila magpakita sa inyo. So, we're lucky enough na nga that we have see some dolphins here, and we'll show you on the next clip na nga. Ayan. So, we're going here in the spot. Meron ngang spot ng mga dolphins. Okay. So, here, how we book here in Manjuyod, we have a contact before we go here. I can drop you another message. And yan na nga ang mga dolphins. Nagtatalon-talon na sila. Ang so cute, so adorable. Medyo malayo kami since wild dolphins sila, guys. Hindi sila talagang lapitin kasi yan. May mga times sabi nila na pumupunta sa boat, but on our end, hindi nga sila. Ayan, may tumalon sa harapan. So, cute. Ayan, so, parang mga 5 dolphins yan nakita namin. Hindi ko matandaan. Pero, yeah, we have saw some dolphins. Nice experience with us, with my love, that we have saw some dolphins here. And, sometimes, hindi nga sila nagpapakita. Sometimes, nagpapakita sila. Kaya, I suggest you go here very early, like 6 a.m. 6 a.m. talaga sila since na tinanghali kami kasi tinanghali kami ng gising. But yeah, and here and after that next itinerary is we're going to Manjuyod. Since we're very early pa nga, we need to go around the area kasi 10:30 pa 11:30 pa magkakapon. So, go first the area here before we go there. Ayan, with my to do with the couple shirts. Hindi naman couple, but yes, it's so nice to spend here. Like we do the day tour. Oo nga pala, day tour to guys, at wala silang night tour. It's only day tour, and then exclusive nyong ma-enjoy yung entire boat. Kayo lang ang nasa boat. And we arrive na nga sa Sunbar. Ayan, may mga nagbebenta ng mga seafoods like yan, talaba, and also, we have also some scallops ba to na malaki. Pero, yan, ang sarap-sarap guys, adobo. Yan. You can buy around there. You can also bring your own food. So, nag-food trip na nga kami. Ayan guys, medyo mahaba tong clips na to. But I suggest to skip this part. But, makita yung mga bibig namin mga matatao. Like I suggest guys, you can bring your own food. of course, para makatipid kayo. And you can also enjoy the foods around the area like that. Meron silang mga sea urchin if you would like to try. Yan, talaba, like we cost like 200 to 300 pesos above. That's the price range here. But since naghihintay pa kami sa sandbar, hindi pa kasi siya nagpakita. So we eat muna our lunch here, and shout out kay Kuya sa pagbigay ng rice. Thank you, Kuya. And yan, napaka-friendly nga ng ano namin, ng mga ng boatman namin. Ayan. So guys, if you would like I said, I can drop their contacts in your inbox. So just enjoy this clip, guys, while we're eating. In the next clip, I'll show you the drone video that we have recorded here in Manjuyod Sandbar. Okay? Ayan, natapos na yung clips. May mga selfie nga ako na, of course, by my love. Ito na ang drone shot, guys. Napakaganda. So, enjoy the view. It's so nice to have a drone here, guys. If you have, that's fantastic. But if you don't have, it's okay. You can enjoy the view also with the sunbar, even walang drone. Pero, yan na nga, guys. So, enjoy our clips. Took by my love. Galing-galing niya nga mag-drone shots. May pa-effect pa nga kan sasayaw ako. Marimar. Charot. Ayan. So, if you would like to visit also Manjuyod Sandbar, you can check there in Facebook. There's a lot of tour contacts there, and I can send that to you. And then, thank you guys for watching our video. I hope you like, and you can also follow us here in TikTok and our YouTube account at the top of my profile. Thank you guys for watching, and hope you enjoy your day. And let's spread love, 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 love. Thank you for watching. Bye.